Okay.
Good morning. This is cause number 2011-12910. In the interest of Daniel uh, Wokobia. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you understand? Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Ebony Breeding. I'm Daniel's mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that Alfred Wokobia Jr. is the non-custodial parent, that he was personally served at 6535 Gagnon Road, San Antonio, Bexar County, Texas at 9 a.m. on March 8th, 2022. And he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
Court will proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would also like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior order that was signed on March 9th, 2011, which set monthly child support at $164 and medical support $113 monthly.
All right, court will take note.
And I would like to call my first witness, the mother, Ebony Breeding.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Breeding. Are you familiar with the prior order that I just referred to?
Yes.
And in that order, Mr. Wokobia was ordered to pay child support. Is he currently behind on child support from that order?
Yes, he is.
And have you reviewed a financial report with the payment record?
Yes, I have.
And is it correct to say that as of July 31st, Mr. Wokobia is behind $16,806.58?
That's correct.
And are you asking the court to take note of that judgment?
Yes, I am.
And as far as medical support, is it correct that Mr. Wokobia is behind $12,634.43 as of July 31st, 2022?
Yes, that is correct.
And how is your child covered under health insurance?
I pay for health insurance privately.
And how much do you pay for your health insurance?
I pay around $2,000 a month, and that's total for a family of 5.
And do you know what the exact amount is for the child alone?
Let me get it, just a second.
Would $500 sound about correct?
That is correct.
And that covers dental and vision?
That is correct, yes.
And are you agreeing to maintain that health insurance for the child?
Yes.
And where is Mr. Wokobia currently?
I am not aware.
Would you be surprised to know that he's incarcerated?
No.
And you understand that when a person is incarcerated, the family code will set child support at 0, correct?
I was just made aware of that.
Well, you understand the court is going to order that child support be set at $0 until the non-custodial parent is released and can start working, correct?
Correct.
And you understand that the medical support will also be set at 0?
Correct.
And although we're confirming the arrearage owed, there's not going to be a payout for the arrearage at this time until the other party is released from incarceration.
Okay.
And have you read and reviewed this order today?
Yes, I have.
And in the order, it stated that the payout would be zero, but you're saying you're only now made aware of that. Did you read and understand the order thoroughly?
No, I did not. I thought that the payout would be for the back child support.
No, the back support is the same. When someone is incarcerated, there will be zero back payment. Do you understand that?
No, I don't.
Okay, but you understand the court is not going to order any payout toward the back support currently, correct?
No, I don't.
Ms.
don't
Breeding, do you
understand.
understand that as long as somebody is in jail, we can't make them pay anything? So until he's released from jail, you'll have a judgment for the amount of back child support. Once he's released from jail, then you come back
Okay,
into court and have it paid.
that's what I thought. Okay, that's what I thought that I read. I wasn't when she said that the payout would no longer. I thought it would be voided. So
All right.
I'm sorry about that.
All
Thank
right.
you for explaining that.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, I passed this witness.
We've got State's Exhibit 1.
Oh, yes, Judge, I'm so sorry. Ms. Breeding, you had a chance to review that financial report, correct?
Yes, I have. I actually have it in front of me. Yes, I have.
Okay, and Judge, I would like to ask the court admit State's Exhibit 1, the financial report showing the payment record and history of Mr. Wachovia.
All right, Ms. Breeding, do you have any objections to that exhibit being admitted?
No, I don't.
All right. Then, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted, and the court will approve the order submitted.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you.
Ms. Breeding, you're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day.
Ms. Rogers, you can turn your camera on.
Good morning. This is cause number 2018-51132 in the interest of Scarlett Russell. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands and be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Kelsey Rogers. I'm the mother of Scarlett Rose Russell.
All right, representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Samuel John Russell Jr. Mr. Russell was personally served on March 10th, 2022 at 6:08 p.m. at 1500 Strawberry Road, apartment 127 in Pasadena, Texas, and he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior order that was signed on January 10th, 2020. In this order, monthly child support was set at $736.70 beginning September 1, and no monthly medical support.
All right, court will take note of that.
And Judge, I would like to call the mother, Miss Kelsey Rogers.
All right.
Miss Rogers, in the prior order, your child support obligation was set, but no monthly payout for medical, correct?
That's correct.
And how is your child covered under medical insurance now?
She has Medicaid right now.
And as far as the child support obligation, is it correct that the non-custodial parent, Mr. Russell, is in arrears in the amount of $4,059.85 as of
That's
July
correct.
31st?
Yes.
And did you have a chance to review that financial report?
Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, I would like to ask the court to admit into evidence the financial report, Exhibit 1, State's Exhibit 1.
I'll mark it States Exhibit 1. Ms. Rogers, do you have any objections of this financial report being admitted into evidence?
No, sir.
All right, Stacy's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. And Ms. Rogers, are you asking the court to confirm that Mr. Russell's in arrears the amount $4,059.85?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to set a payout of $71 a month as of September 1, 2022?
Yes.
And as far as the wages for Mr. Russell, there has been no change in the current medical support. We're keeping everything the same, correct?
Correct.
From the prior order. And
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say the medical support?
no, the child support. And as far as wages,
Yes.
the child support is staying the same, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And previously, and now you're asking the court to also set a medical support in the amount of $200 a month beginning September 1, 2022.
Yes,
And you agree to maintain the health insurance for the child?
that's correct.
And you agree to pay half of any uncovered court costs? Half of any uncovered medical bills?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to confirm the $737 a month in current child support beginning September 1?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to bill court costs to Mr. Russell?
Yes.
And as far as your address, has there been a previous order of non-disclosure to keep your address confidential?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to maintain that non-disclosure finding?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the reason for that?
There is an open felony domestic violence case for impeding breath right now.
And with that case, was there also a criminal magistrate's order of emergency protection?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Rogers. You're free to go. Have a